Today this video will show you some idea, how to design your own house from ordinary house to luxurious house. DIY, do it yourself, upgrade your home at minimum cost. Transform your ordinary living hall to Italian Baroque style living hall. First, draw rectangles layout at the wall, then fix the skirting line according to the layout. Let's see the result as below. What do you think? You can choose a larger wall in any space to beautify it. Tips: if you want to enlarge the vision of the space, you can install large mirror on the wall. Really help you feel spacious all the time. Transform your ordinary dining area to Spanish bistro style dining hall. Draw a divider layout to separate two sections, dining hall and kitchen. Choose a sticker that is beautiful and suitable for French bistro style. Fully stick it on 3 glass door surfaces. Choose a Rocky Mountain texture wallpaper and paste it on the wall surface. Transform your ordinary kitchen to Irish cottage farmhouse kitchen. Draw a layout of 2 upper sides wall cabinets and lower cabinets. Let's take a look after the wall cabinet is fixed and add some decoration. Transform your ordinary bedroom 1 to Old World Spanish style bedroom. Draw a layout of your design on the wall. Carved on the wall with a hand grinder, imitating just like the stone texture in the style of ancient Old World Spain decoration. Okay, see the result now. Does it look pretty? Transform your ordinary bedroom 2 to Victorian's elegant style bedroom. Draw a layout line on wall, then, use wood skirting line fix on wall according to the design. Let's take a look after the upgrading. Red color with elegant feel. Transform your ordinary bedroom 3 to traditional Balinese style bedroom. Tips: to create a Balinese style bedroom must have canopy bed, hand carved wood decor, old wooden furniture, and batik wall art. Canopy bed is almost a must-have item for a Balinese inspired bedroom. Transform your master bedroom to Milan's modern futuristic bedroom. Draw a picture layout first and design the TV wall decor to the trendy Milan style master bedroom you want. Start to DIY according to suitable colors and materials. Let's see the result. Milan style master bedroom, front wall decoration. All the upgrading work are done. Let's see the final result now. 8 countries style in one home. The Royal Homestay. All suite are differently decorated in its own unique theme. Baroque period Italian style living hall. Italian's Baroque style living room. Grand, luxurious and impressive. Classic Italian Baroque fireplace mantle with Da Vinci 3 candlestick holder. It was restored and perfected with classic interiors decorations. perfect example for luxurious living and splendor. Relaxing area with fabulous wall mirror with romantic lighting. Dramatic and impressive, original Baroque-style spaces are all about splendor and luxury. Intricately and immensely ornate, they are bold and intriguing. Intricately ornate wall brackets add extra visual interest and appeal. A seating arrangement in red and a set of matching richly ornate and side tables add luxury and sophistication. A breathtaking chandelier complemented by a fabulous table lamp complete the look of the space. Old world Spanish style bedroom. This bedroom will have more of unique rustic feel. An experience which you never wish to miss. Spanish exposed dark wooden ceiling beam decor. A comment element in the mountain of Spain, Spanish natural stones texture wall decor. The Fiesta de Toros Spain canvas wall art. Unique, cat and cages lamp. Designed by Peter Lindbergh. This traditional Spanish old world charm is normally achieved by dark wood floors, luxurious oversized furniture, and rustic wooden ceiling beams. Rich, bold colors, dark brown and cream, are often used in bedding and accents among a sea of earthy neutral colors. Faux finishes and stucco walls are common in the Spanish style but will more often have Venetian plaster or distressed stone texture. DIY by merging it with your home's characteristics and enjoy the richness that emerges. French bistro style, dining hall. French bistro dining hall. Decor of earthy tones and dark woods, complete with a romantic feel, is casual yet elegant. Bricks wall decor, antique accessories, fabulous wall lamp and antique French clock. French bistro-style dining hall decor offers a relaxed and unassuming environment attracting diners who might wish to linger over a cup of coffee to enjoy a hearty meal. Garden gazebo glass decor 1883, designed by Richard Morris Hunt, Paris CS Audenat. If you're looking for a cozy setting for a romantic feel, this celebrated French bistro is perfect. With a small dining room decorated in an understated, French countryside style. Irish country cottage style kitchen decor. Cottage wall accessories, sweet shabby chic style. Dazzling Irish cottage kitchen with gorgeous carved cabinets in beige. Lovely green cottage window and awesome exposed beam make this cottage feel even better. Santorini, Greece, wet kitchen design. Awesome. Stunning Santorini style design. The endless blue in combination with the unbelievable interior design with inspiring impression. Staircase decorating. Fabulous wedding staircase decoration. Add a touch of chic botanical style at your stair. Fabulous scrape stained static window film. Wrought irons family hall day utilizing classic and luxurious style of frames for wall decoration and accessories. Wooden rustic wrought iron frame with high-grade beveled mirror. Gathering, relaxed and enjoying each other's company. Traditional Balinese-style bedroom decor. Balinese-style bedroom, the key elements of Bali style are to make you feel relaxing like you are on holidays every day. Romantic Balinese bedroom decorating ideas with canopy. Balinese wood furniture and hand-carved decor. With a timeless look and an elegant design. Realistic wallpaper that looks like a wooden bridge that can walk into the woods. You'll feel so blissed out the moment you step into your bedroom, that gives you the best night's sleep. Victorian's era elegant style classic bedroom. When you enter the room, you'll be surprised and shout wow! Amazing! This bedroom design idea for your princess or teenage girls, bringing them into the world of fairy tale. The Percy red color room, with the wide frame design, highlights the noble and luxurious Victorian. White chic Victorian fireplace mantle and display accessories was the decoration used to make it attractive. Red colors wall often evoke feelings of happiness, optimism and energy. Glamorous modern Milan-style master bedroom. Changing to awesome futuristic cool blue lighting. Ultra-modern futuristic hanging TV wall design. Cool blue have a stimulating effect and make you feel refreshed and energized. Thanks for viewing the Royale Homestay.
Please subscribe and press the bell if you enjoy my video. More video is waiting for you.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video.